Hello everybody, Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart video analysis of IJJP. That's the IJJ Corporation. I know we've talked about this one a couple times, and still really excited about it. Got some great stuff, price target of 10 cents or more, and some amazing stuff going on behind the scenes. Recently had a share reduction. They've got 3 venture partners right now that they're working with. I believe their names are American Seed and Oil, World of Marijuana, and Canna Works. All of these are pretty amazing companies, and all of them are going to be working together to help, really just hammer out what it is that they do. So really exciting stuff here, but I want to get into IJJP's chart. We did see a previous close on Friday, February 27th of 0.0053. Our last trade was 0.0045. That was a decrease of 15.09% on a volume of 86.4 million shares. What's really exciting about this, though, is that we did see a low of 0.0038, so there was potential for some big gains anyway, even though it did close up 15% down. And even with that close of 15% down, this is just an even better opportunity to buy in, as that share reduction is going to lead to some big movement on the coming weeks here. Like I said, 10 cents is going to be an easy target, and I don't think we're going to have any trouble getting through that. We are seeing these higher lows on our dailies down here, which is still showing us that we are on a big uptrend right now. So let's go through the whole chart. We'll start with the 14-day RSI. It's at 57.63. Not too bad. We are still within that 70 and the 50. We are coming down, showing some consolidation, which I like. We were overextended for quite a while, so coming back down is actually a good sign. And after we see that bounce on Monday, we should see this continue to climb back up again. I think we should see a higher low here and continuing strength. That 70 to 50 region is a great buy zone. So investors are definitely taking a look at that. Like I said, down here on the daily charts, we are seeing this continued uptrend here where it has just consecutively moved upwards. Really excited about that. We did see our crossover of the our golden cross not too long ago, back in October. Crossed over there, looks great. We are seeing that resistance currently at 0.0072. We haven't crossed above that line, but once we do, it's going to be real easy to break out of. Now, this 12-day EMA was acting as our support line for a little while, but we did close up underneath that. I do believe that signals our next support line at that 0.0045. I don't expect this to go much lower than this at all. I would expect this to actually bounce back up and overtake the previous highs of 0.0072. So daily charts looking great. We are seeing our volume picking up. It has been great since about the middle of October. We're at that golden cross. It saw a peak, kind of died down a little bit, but since the beginning of this year, we have seen some consistent volume, and it's just really exciting for this company. Down on the MACD charts, we are seeing something very nice too. We did see that crossover the signal line, had some continued growth here, and now we're coming back down for a consolidation. Now that was a big drop down on Friday, so all of our charts are going to be kind of harshly skewed for that. But this consolidation is actually a good thing. You don't want to overtake that too much. You don't want to overstretch, because it is going to collapse back down. So the fact that this didn't get too far before it's coming back down is actually a good sign. We should see this consolidate probably just around this area before it starts to level out and move back towards the sky there. Down here on our tricks line, also looking pretty good. We do see this crossover the signal line here. That was a big buy signal. As you can see, that definitely reflected on our charts. Now, the fact that it's tipping back down up here, that was kind of letting us know that this downtrend was coming. You can see that if you put up your little indicator here, that little peak on that little change in direction there was actually just prior to that second day's loss there. So I love this chart a lot. It is going to take a little while to recover from that negative 15%, but it's not concerning me at all. We are still showing this strong uptrend here. We are seeing those higher lows. Consolidation is just the name of the game. So keep your eyes on that right there. Long term, we are still showing some great potential for this company on the 30-day tricks. Still showing some big moves up, not taking too big of a hit right now. We should see this continue to move upwards just like that. Now we are seeing some consolidation down here on our slow stochastics. Not looking too shabby. 73.65 is where our signal line's at, and the slow stochastic line itself is at 66.09. I do like the consolidation here, so we are going to see this continue on. And this should actually recover before it hits that 50. I wouldn't expect any less. It is going to show us that continued uptrend. Again, we are seeing those higher lows. Like I'm saying, IJJP has just been showing some serious recovery, some serious movement over the last couple weeks and months. So down here on the CCI, looking good as well, 43.89. We are between the 100 and the 0. It's a good place to be. Continued uptrend. Again, this is a common trend on this chart. And you're going to see this just continue on. We are seeing that continued strength, growth. We are seeing that strong foundation that our investors have built for us here. And definitely that share reduction news is going to help push this incredibly high over the next couple weeks, in my opinion. What's even better, though, is that even though we did see that negative 15%, these are all still been good trades. We are trading above the 0 there on the check and money flow. Looks like a great market, very strong and bullish indicator right there. ADX line looking good. We are still showing this uptrend, which I love to see. They are coming back together. What do you expect? We saw negative 15% on Friday. What's showing us here though is that the ADX line itself is at 66.5, which is telling us that this positive DI is still incredibly relevant. So keep your eyes on that. PVO looking good, pinched with a signal line, a lot of energy pent up there. We should see that explode over the coming days. Once again, higher and higher lows here. So we are continuing to see this common trend through all of our indicators that we are moving up and making progress on this chart, and I don't expect it to slow down anytime soon. Down here on the money flow index, seeing some consolidation again, but like I said, 80 and 50 is that buy zone. It's at 67.68, higher lows. Accumulation distribution looking great here. We are seeing that come up, and we did see a little bit of consolidation there on the accumulation, which doesn't bother me too much. We're getting rid of those weak buyers, those weak traders, and we're also getting in some of those bigger but better ones. So we did see this kind of tail down, even out right there. So we saw a good amount of buying on Friday. So that's always a good thing to see too. IJJP looks great right now. Like I said, 10 cents or more is my prediction. Reduction of the shares is going to be a great catalyst for the coming weeks. And furthermore, with the joint venture that they have with American Seed and Oil, World of Marijuana, and CannaWorks, IJJP really doesn't have any barriers right now. So keep your eyes on it. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Love to take a look at them. And if you have any more questions and you want to get them emailed right to your inbox, just head on over to our website, pennystockwhispers.com, punch in your email address right there, and we'll send you all the information we have on IJJP and some of our other stocks. If you're on the go, though, don't be afraid to head on over to the Play Store. You can download our app and get all this stuff sent straight to your phone. Got our Twitter feed on there, stock chart videos, stock quotes, and more. So it's always good to see you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.